Hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today I bring you top 3 gadgets, which are very awesome. These gadgets will save your precious time. Each product link is provided in the video description box.
Hand blender. Make all your favorite gourmet soups, guacamole, smoothies/shakes, cake batters, salsas, sauces, marinades, salad dressings, even homemade baby food for your precious bundle of joy with just the push of a button. Powered by a powerful 300-watt motor, it works quickly and efficiently, expertly mixing everything you want into a smooth, evenly blended medley of mouth-watering flavors. Popcorn popper. Great for a healthy snack, movie night, big game or recipes with popcorn. Simply use the dual-function lid to measure out the desired serving size, pour into the micropop and microwave for 3 minutes or less. Hundreds of fun and healthy snack recipe possibilities for your popcorn enjoyment. Make homemade popcorn as an alternative to buying expensive single-use pre-packaged bags that contain unwanted chemicals, ingredients, and calories. Vegetable chopper. The latest multifunctional vegetable chopper and slicer. Chop, dice, slice or grate. This vegetable chopper is a practical kitchen tool. The vegetable chopper offers multiple functions in one highly versatile kitchen gadget. The onion chopper is made of top-quality materials such as high-quality stainless steel blades and food-grade materials. The vegetable chopper can cut most types of vegetables and fruits. Vegetable chopper slicer contains 8 different sizes of fruit chopper blades, interchangeable blades for thick/thin slicing, dicing or chunking, shredding/shredding, thick or thin, grinding and chopping. Onion chopper rust-resistant heavy-duty 420 stainless steel maintains sharp edges for crisp, smooth cuts and grating. The blades go in and out easily and are built to last, making it the perfect tool to make home cooking easier and faster.